All right, next load chart we're going to do is going to be a net capacity lifting off the jib over the side. So net capacity. That helps to select the color I'm going to be using. Net capacity, gonna fly over the side. As we know, it doesn't matter for lifting over the side when you're picking with the jib because there's only 360-degree charts. Let's draw our box over here. Set up. So we're net capacity, lifting off the fly. Thing here for our notations. Let's build our load charts. Line pulls 12,920 pounds. Our gross capacity equation. And then we're going to come over here and write our deduction. All right. So we already have our deductions. We're going to scroll down here to our deductions page. We know we're not going to have to worry about a tip height because we're lifting off of the jib. So we can just give that a big fat X already. So our first piece of information is boom mode B, 90 foot of main boom. Our degrees are 72. We don't have a radius. So let's start checking things off. First piece of information it's going to give us for our deductions is the 34 foot, so our beam. Our beam is 1,236 pounds. So done there. So let's jump to the next side, to the next column. Our extension is the 34 foot EXT, 34 foot erect. It's going to be a big 0 because we're picking from the jib. And we have a 15-degree offset angle. Let me erase this real quick and redo this. Oops. O-A-N-G-L-E. 15 degrees. That's another big 0 there. We'll also come over here. We're going to put 34 foot offset or jib with a 15-degree offset. Just another spot to put it so we know where it's at. We're going to mark it off. We don't have a block, so we can mark that off. We do have a ball. The ball weighs 360 pounds. £360. Check that off. Rigging is our next one. And that is 495 pounds. We don't have a main rope because there is no block attached. And our ox rope is all needed, so we don't have a deduction for that either. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead, scroll on past our tip height or our range diagram. We don't need the range diagram because we don't have a line deduction. Scroll down to our chart. So it's telling us we have main boom mode B, 72-degree angle. So we're going to scroll down here to, we're using the 34-foot jib, picking off the 34-foot jib with boom mode B. So we're going to go ahead and go to our lowest capacity, which is going to be our 34 offset with our 110 foot of main boom. 34-degree offset, 110 foot of main boom. So we're going to go on here. We're working with our 15-degree offset, so this is the one we're looking for. We're working with a 15-degree offset. We're going to come down here and see we got 76 degrees, 74, 71. We're looking for 72. We don't have 72, so we only have an option of 74 and 71.5. So since the rule is whenever you're between boom angles, you go to the next lowest. So that's going to put us at 71.5, which gives us a gross capacity of 8,200. We'll come over here on our chart layout, 8,200 pounds. And since we have all of our deductions, because since we don't have a line deduction, we don't have to worry about that. So what we do, we'll go ahead and add up all our deductions, or our dead hanging weights. So 1,200, 300, or 1,236 pounds, plus 360 pounds, plus 495 equals 2,091 pounds. And we'll go ahead and put that there and there. 91 pounds. Now we deduct that from 8,200, and we get 6,109 pounds. And that is our net capacity that our crane is good for after our deductions. And that looks like 6,109 pounds. So you can see it a little bit.